So currently I'm a professor in food and nutrition at George Brown College, and I'm also a registered dietitian, and the year that I graduated from the Bio-Pharm program was 2001. I'd heard about the Bio-Pharm program, and really mainly there were two main reasons why I wanted to get into the program. One, because of the small class sizes, so really you got to know everybody, including your professors, at a very intimate level, which I was looking forward to that because that year, my first year of undergrad, I really had just been in massive lectures with hundreds and hundreds of students. So the class size was important, and then the co-op experience was really important. And I would say that the career that I have right now really got shaped from the co-op placements and the opportunities that I had there. Definitely, what I enjoyed about PBL, problem-based learning, was the fact that it was very self-directed. So really the learning was up to the individual as to how much information you want to learn, right? So the idea is to go out, gather the information, and then be able to teach your peers and teach yourself what you know. I think it made me more self-directed. It made me more responsible in everything that I was going to do, and it also provided me with a lot of critical thinking skills, really to critically evaluate the work that I'm doing, and I think that helped me a lot in my research placements. I also learned how to sort of self-evaluate myself as well. So being able to either take feedback from other people or be able to sort of self-evaluate myself and enhance any of my skills that might have been lacking. So I think all of those I took to the placements, and I think it helped me a lot. So the first placement that I had was at CanReg, a regulatory affairs company. So it was sort of looking at the administrative part of the whole research and development and of drugs. So the regulatory affairs, so that was very administrative, and then I moved on and I did my 8-month placement at Mark Frost in Montreal, which was a great experience. I learned a lot about research and development. And then the last placement was the Hospital for Sick Children. The thing that I liked about it was that it was real-world experiential learning. So I really got into the workplace and was able to experience a variety of different settings, and also be able to think about what is it that I want in the career that I'm going to be following. I think that really gave me that opportunity to really do some thinking, and also the networking and the people that I met really helped me to focus on the career that I have now. I think it definitely helped in a number of ways. Definitely research skills. I mean, with the thesis that you do in your undergrad and all the critical thinking and the research that is in the program, I think that definitely helped me to transition to a master's program very easily. And even the research that I do right now, I don't have a PhD, but I'm still able to be the principal investigator of a research study, and I feel very comfortable doing that because I'm confident in the research skills that I have. The other thing I think it helped me do is focus on my communication skills, because whether you like it or not, when you're in a problem-based setting, you are teaching your peers, the information that you've learned. And so I think that really helped with my communication and teaching skills, which certainly helped me as a professor here at George Brown College. The main thing was the small class sizes. It's hard to find small class sizes now. It really helped to make it very intimate, make you feel comfortable. I wasn't shy about asking questions. If anything, it motivated me to go out and learn more and gather information, because I knew I was going to come back and share it pretty much with my peers, who would now become my friends. I don't think I would have been able to connect with people at that kind of a level had it been in a larger class setting. Right after I came out, I spent that summer working with the director of dietetics at the Hospital for Sick Children. So I worked with her in the lab, so I did some more research, and that gave me an opportunity to shadow some dietitians and learn more about the dietetics program. So I teach a variety of different nutrition courses, and I work in the division of the Center for Hospitality and Culinary Arts. So primarily I teach the chefs nutrition. I also have an applied research project relating to diabetes. So my students and I, for the last few years, we've been focusing on taking traditional ethnic recipes and making them diabetes friendly. I also work a little bit on the side doing some writing as well. So I get an opportunity to work on those writing skills. And so recently I developed a diabetes prevention handbook for the South Asian community. Coming into it, they need to realize that it is a lot of work. So even though there aren't lectures, even though there aren't final exams, which always sounds very exciting and interesting, I do recall there being a lot of work and a lot of assignments. So I think you just need to be mentally prepared that there is going to be a lot of work, and if you're willing to work at it and work hard, then you can really gain a lot of benefits from the program.